I'm happy to say that in my 12 weeks, I've made significant strides in terms of improving my health. My acid reflux is now so much better. My blood markers are a lot better now. I sleep so much better than before. I've lost about 3 kg of body weight, about 8 cm around the waist, which is very good. And I think more importantly, I feel a lot leaner, a lot happier, and more confident than I was 12 weeks ago. My name is Vince. I came to MPH because I'm looking to improve my overall health and fitness. Prior to MPH, I was struggling with acid reflux, bad cholesterol, and elevated blood sugar. My sleep was not that great, and my midsection was becoming a little bit of a worry for me as well. Yeah, I tried different things like online diets and working out on my own, but nothing seemed to work for me. So yeah, I tried and signed up with MPH. It's very easy. I've seen the results myself, so I think they should too. I got Bailey as my coach, and Bailey, he's a legend. I think that Bailey is a great coach, but more than that, I think that he is a much more amazing person. Bailey has kept me accountable the entire time, but more importantly, Bailey made me feel so comfortable from the get-go, and that spelled a huge difference in terms of my weekly workouts. Thank you, Bailey. In just 12 weeks, I think MPH has changed my life in many ways. I can confidently go to the gym now. As a matter of fact, I always crave to check a workout from time to time. My wife even joins my workouts now, which is a plus. Yeah, overall, I feel like I'm a totally renewed person. I am more focused and more health conscious. Yeah, and I feel like I'm just getting started. So there's a lot more to go. Joining MPH, joining this amazing community, I think that I might have just added 5 or more years to my life. And for that, I'm extremely happy and proud and grateful to MPH.